what game am I playing today? Do I play this? Or this? Or this? Or this? Or this? Actually, never mind. Can I delete this game from my suggestion? I don't know. Why is this game even high on my continue page? I don't know. But today we're going to be playing this game right here. First time playing it. Not in general, but just first time playing it on my channel. What the heck is wrong with Gyutaro's face? Oh my gosh, he looks like he's on. Looks like he's on something. I don't know what, because his eyes are cross-eyed. I can't be talking because I'm cross-eyed too, but that's alright. Because I can barely see out of one eye, so hey, it's alright. The model is cool though. Wait, is it in early access now? Early access, not early access. Early access. Let's see. Hold up, is this Blood Demon art? Please tell me. Please tell me it is. We about to have some fun here. If my shift lock can work. Oh gosh. My game needs to hurry up and load. No, I don't want early access. Boy, what are you doing here, boy? I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna just kill anybody here. This Thunder guy needs to go. Whoa. Rip his head off. Rip it off. Let's see. Where are we going now? Oh, flame breathing? Oh, wow. I don't think you know who I am. I didn't think I had to say it from last. Oh, whoa. Okay. He came back for revenge, huh? I'm about to revenge you. You cannot beat me. What the heck? Is he using thunder? Excuse me. Oh, yeah. How about that, buddy or pal? Flying bloodsick. Oh, crap. No. Oh, crap. Oh, gosh. Holy. Nah. Oh, nah. Nah, get away from me. You're done. Bruh. I don't have an iframe. No! Stupid Slayer, get away from me, you stupid Slayer. Boom. What? My Blood Demon I just went on vacation, though. Where does this man go? We got gripped. It's alright. He came back for revenge and ended up dying. That's crazy. Anyways. What is going on under here? Something I want to get into. What the heck? Come here, buddy. Okay. Somebody wants to smoke here. That water guy right there. I don't know why his sword is still blue, but I don't know why it lasts for that long. Flying bloodsickles. Who are you? What? Bro, imagine buying early access. Can never be me. Wait, is that not early access, or is it? It is early access, my god, bro. Imagine buying early access can never be me. Could never. What? He just pulled me from a mile away! He just pulled me from a mile away! What the heck? Don't you dare. Oh, I'm killing you. Yes! Yes! String user. Oh. I see how it is. I see how it is. Nah, bro. Let me get Thunder out. Let me get Thunder out. Because clearly, y'all have not learned y'all's lesson from last video. Or maybe they didn't even watch it. We have a problem, don't we, sir? We have a problem, don't we? We have a problem, don't we? We have a problem, don't we? Yes, sir. That's what I thought. Get glitch. What the heck? Excuse me, what in the world did you do? Nah, bro. Nah, boy. Nah, okay. Thunderclap. Flash! Yes, sir. 6 fold! Fold him! Thunderclap! Okay, never mind. Boy, get over here. Get over here. I never said you could run. I never gave you permission to run. Boy, you clearly want to smoke, don't you? Uh-huh! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Can't do nothing about that. Ow! Stop kicking me out. Come here. No, I didn't give you permission to run away. I did not give you permission to run away. Never did! Oh my gosh. Runner. It's alright though. I'll kill everybody that comes up here. Oh, you trying to battle me? Bait. Oh, yeah, Akaza. Oh, crap. Try better next time, Akaza. Next time maybe if you didn't kill Rengoku. No way he's using water. I knew I should have killed him while I still had the chance. 6-fold. What? Bro, what in the world? He just did some constant flux stuff on me? Nope. Nah! Nah! I'm not dealing with that. Nah. You can deal with that, but I'm not. Uh-huh. Godlike speed? Come on. Come on, buddy, oh pal. I'm about to end your whole career. I'm about to end your whole Okay. See how it is? Oh my gosh. This. Whoa. Whoa. Come here. Oh. Well, I'm actually about to die. I'm actually about to die. Hold on, give me a second. Let me not die here. Bing! Bing, bing, bang, bang! Easy peasy. Definitely wasn't running. Okay, now I gotta find a way. Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! No. Fall damage. No. Don't tell me I just died. Die! No, he didn't die of fall damage! What the heck? I really hope this man dies to fall damage. I genuinely do. Okay, let's go back to using blood sickles. I'm gonna do a base video on using blood sickles. Actually, no. What the heck? Bro, I literally accidentally hit him, bro. I accidentally hit him, bro. Get off me. Like, for real, bro. Get off me, bro. I literally didn't even purposely hit him. I didn't even purposely hit you. What's your problem? What's your problem? What is your problem? I didn't even purposely hit you. What the heck is this? These guys are the problem. I don't understand. What the heck, bro? This is thunder. Yeah. Thunder. Garbage. Oh my gosh, bro. These guys are garbage. Bro, I can't even do anything. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, bro? They just keep teaming on me. I swear, if that dude with sickles is starting to kill me, bro, I'm actually about to log. I might actually have to log. Bro, I swear, bro. Don't hit me. Bro, they are just teaming on me. Bro, I promise you, I'm gonna kill them one by one. One by one. There's gonna be a part 2 to this. And it ain't gonna be a nice one. It is not gonna be a nice one. Can they put me down? My gosh, put me down. Because as soon as they put me down, I'm getting back up. Bro, why are y'all jumping all around trying to kill one person, bro? These guys, first of all, whoever that dude at the top, he has no life. No life, bro. There's no way you have that many minutes. There's no way. Get me up! Get up! Get up! No! Get off me, bro. I shouldn't be here, bro. Yes, hit him. Hit the string guy. Hit the string guy. I'm going to make my escape. You're gonna let him up? Bro. Why? Why do this? I'm out. These guys. No way! This man actually tried to chase me over some executions, bro. Ain't no way. Bro, there's 2 of them chasing me! What the heck? Bro, these guys have no life, bro. There's no way they are all chasing me. There is no way they're all chasing me. I can't even do anything. There's no way. There's no way I can't even do this. I can't even use the move. Kill him. Bro, what is y'all's problem? Nah, bro. We don't have to fight, bro. We don't have to fight. There's no excuse for that. There is no excuse. I swear. Bro, I'm actually gonna. You know what? No. I swear, bro. These people actually try to attack me. I'm done. Actually, nah. If I'm going down, I'm gonna go down with the fight. Actually, nah. Hold up. Give me a second. What do I need to think? The factors I need to think about are. Well, this video is almost over, and I do need some content. Come here, boy! Boom! Where does man at? Oh, yeah, I bet they're all chasing me. I'm waiting for them. Come on, I gotta chase one of them at least into you. Nah, bro. A matter of fact, if they're all gonna grip me over this, I think I need my revenge. I think I do need my revenge. Yeah, it'll be sweet. Short and sweet! Short and sweet! That's what you get. Come here, blood sickles. Blood sickles, more like trash sickles. Oh, you wanna fight me? You're nothing! Nothing, I tell you, nothing! You're not important. Oh, crap. Yes, sir. What are you trying to do? The fact how you even tried to do that is crazy. Die. I need him to die. Yes! Grab him! Over here. Yes! And it's the water breathing guy. Of course it's a water breathing person. Oh, crap! What the heck is wrong with you? What the heck is wrong with you? Bro, there's no way they let the Sickles guy take me out. Kill that Sickles guy! Bro, I gotta kill the sickles guy. I gotta kill the guy with sickles. There will be a part 2 to this. And this part 2 will be immaculate. I mean, there will be no part 2, my bad.